Another thing, in my opinion, that needs to be brought back is better weapon physics. The weapon physics have not been that good, in my opinion, since SmackDown versus Raw 2007. I feel like we've come so far from the THQ era, and we still have not really seen these wrestling games live up to the type of quality and variety that the games that we grew up with Ukes and with THQ, what they were developing. We still have not seen the games of today match up and live up to that as far as the possibilities of what you can do. The weapon physics back then were so much better from a standpoint of being able to actually set up the ladder where you want it, how you want it, right? Being able to actually slam opponents onto ladders, slam opponents onto tables, slam opponents onto steel steps, right? There's all of these different things that you can do. Climb up onto objects and then jump off of them, kind of like what they just reintroduced with climbing the ringside barricade. It's like we were able to do that back in the day. And this is what we're calling a new feature coming into the newer games in the franchise. This doesn't make much sense to me as far as developers adding things into the game that used to be in the game and calling it new to us, when whole time this is not new to us. This is something that has been around for ages. It's just now coming into these newer games, and it's not making much sense. And why it doesn't make much sense is not because 2K hasn't had time to develop. Why it doesn't make sense is because we're so much further in the advancement of technology these days that it kind of feels like this game that we love, this series that we love of wrestling games, is falling behind compared to all these other sports games. It feels like our game has not evolved while everybody else's game has had much more evolving going on within it than our game has. And for me as a fan, that's concerning, because I want not only the best wrestling game that there can be, but I want everything within the realm of wrestling to be prospering, to be doing well, to be doing good, and keeping up with the times that we are in.